Excited? Oh boy. Almost there. Mag-snacks muna kami dito. Ayan. Kasi gutom na ang mga bata, kaya kain muna kami dito. That's Daddy and Kuya. Ooh, look at that. Look at Kuya. Have some snacks. Ooh. Nathan is doing his coloring while waiting for the food. Right, Nate? How about you, Kuya? Yeah? You like your chocolate milk, Kuya?
Yeah. It's like, it tastes the same as the other one that we have at home.
Yeah. Sasakyan namin para mag-tour around the farm. Ayan.
They eat a high-fiber diet with extra vitamins and minerals because they're calcium, and the pregnancy demands high-quality feeds. It's a great ration. The heifers will be moved to a heifer raising farm until they are ready to rejoin the herd as milking cows. Because the calves are grown with other calves from our dairy or increased respiration, we can help the cows stay cool and comfortable by drenching them with water to get rid of the heat. The white plastic pipes that run along near the aisle supply water to the sucker nozzles that spray the cows.
Sleep! Wake up! The guests are all here, and we need to start the tour. This is no time for a robot nap. Hello, folks, and welcome to the Fair Oaks Farms Robotic Dairy. I'm the security supervisor over in the main control room, and this is Robo 7. Your checkpoint security officer. He's a marvel of modern state-of-the-art technology. Our job here at the security checkpoint is to welcome you to the robotic dairy and show you around a bit. So how about you come on over to the safety fence windows. This tour is presented by Fair Oaks Farms in De Laval. The building you're in is where all the processing equipment resides for the robotic dairy farm. We keep the noisy equipment separated and over here, so the environment for the cows is quiet and peaceful, the way it should be for them. Cows, just like parents, enjoy peace and quiet. The whole cow barn has a translucent roof, so there's a natural cycle of daylight and nighttime. At Fair Oaks Farms, we make every effort to make our cows comfortable. In the robotic...
Everybody in. There we go. Come on down. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, they just broke up into 4 areas. Each area has a neighborhood of 200 head. But the most important thing of all, brushes. There's 3 of them all the way down that walkway down here. I'd like to see this girl's coming in or not, but she hasn't made up her mind.
One of the cows is super black.
Every time these girls come in, they get a pile of food in that tray. Okay? Kind of gives them something to do while they are busy. Go to camera number 2. Camera number 2 will show you a close-up food robots, a separate hose, and take about 4 squirts of milk out of each other teeth. Make sure it's given milk right now. This one here, she's got almost, what, 22, 23 pounds right there. Okay? Kind of gives you guys an idea of what's going on. All right? Now, when she is done milking, the robot's arm will take the milkers off, kind of hang them back on up, and then she gets sprayed down with another iodine dip before she leaves.
It's a white
It's nice and clean. That is on the right side, that is in your left side, over here is the east side.
Catch it! It's a cow! Hey, Kuya! Go slide, Kuya! Whee! Come, Kuya! Whee! Come, Nate! Slide, pot! Slide, Nathan! Whee! Oh no, where's Kuya? Go slide, go! Yay! Hi, Kuya! Yeah, be careful. Oh, hi, Nathan. Get in, Nate. Be careful. Go, Kuya. Go up. Yay! Ayan, dyan kami nag-slide. I don't know. Play with it. Boo! Nathan! Oh no! Oh my goodness, Kuya! Oh my goodness, that's so cute! It's not. See? Pag milk in there, Kuya. I think that's my milk. I need to drink some more. Go. Make it. Go to the pig, Kuya. Go pig.
This is not my brown.
Kuya. Look, are you ready to see the barn, Kuya?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to the barn.
That one, oh boy. It's a battle.
Are they fighting?
Yeah, see them? Those two
Yeah,
over
like
there fighting. They're
one
heckling each
came
other.
and head going in the face.
Yeah, they are very fat, Kuya. Look, ang tataba. Good job, Kuya. There you are, Nathan. There you are, Nathan and Kuya. Oh, be careful. Yeah. Yeah. That's a lot of pigs, Nate. Oh boy. Yeah. Well, touch it. You want to touch this one? Is that working, Nate? We are going to see the piglets. Yeah. Tell me about the piglets, Kuya.
They are very small and cute, and they're melting.
Oh, look at the baby.
They're melting.
Oh boy, look at that. That's a lot of babies.
Yeah, they're
Oh
melting.
my goodness.
They're melting.
Look at those babies. Oh my god, that's a lot of babies. Piglets. Oh boy.
Earlier in the morning, because they can take 1 to 4 hours for each mom to farrow, and the farmers will stay overnight. So once the piglets born, they'll put them in a great.
Ayan, nakita na namin ang mga piglets, guys. Ang cute-cute. Ngayon naman ay punta muna kami sa bathroom. Need mag-change ni Nathan ng diaper. Right, Nathan? So, let's find the bathroom. Restroom is over here. So, ayan. Ito yung bathroom nila dito, guys. So, pag may dalang bata, ito yung pinaka-importante, yung changing table. Ayan. So, tapos na kami mag-change ng diaper. So, ayan. Tapos na kami sa bathroom. And ayan, si Daddy and Kenton. Hello, Nathan. Say hi, Kuya. Hi, Kuya. So, ayan, maganda to, guys. Kasi may mga stroller sila para sa mga bata. At free siya gamitin.
The rope obstacle course.
Okay, are you excited?
Bus, you won't get hurt.
Uh-huh.
But if
Where are we going?
rope obstacle course.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Kuya! Kuya is over there. Yay! Wow! You like it, Nate? Wow, that's very nice.
Yeah, it's made of wood.
Oh, they have a chair?
This was
What?
rocket.
Hey, Nathan! Look at Kuya! So, yan po, habang naglalaro si Kuya sa labas, kami naman ni Nathan, dito kami sa room na ito, at talaga namang napakaganda. Ayan. At may kalaro si Nathan. Ang ganda ng room nila dito, guys. Para sa mga bata. Ang cute. Ayan. Ayan, may kalaro si Nathan. Oh, boy! Say hello. Hello. Is it ice cream? Kaya pwede sila magluto dito. Ayan yung oven. Mga laruan. At ayan naman ang ano. Pwede sila maghugas ng mga laruan dyan. Ayan. And the pig. And the chair. Yeah, go watch TV night. There you go. Touch it, babe. Touch it. So, mamaya konti, guys, ay mag-check-in na kami para, tapos mamaya magsa-swimming din kami mamaya. Ayan.